Welcome to cabin 12238, which is a deluxe Fantastica balcony. And what's really cool about this one, the cabin is larger with a much larger balcony than those right around us. So we start off with, we've got our little desk over here with a small refrigerator. You got your TV up there. Above the desk, you have two US outlets and two USB. And on the other side, we've got two European outlets. And as we always say, bring a converter with you so then you can take advantage of these European outlets. Nice sofa over here. Plenty of room. I think that opens up into a bed, at least for the ones with a three-person, that would open up into a bed. There we've got the bed configured as a queen, but what's really interesting, right here, this wall, this is the end of the cabin for all of the other cabins alongside us. But this particular cabin has this whole angle there in the corner that makes the cabin so much bigger. I'm going to spin around before I show you the big balcony. And the size of this cabin. This is a deluxe balcony cabin. The rate on these are absolutely phenomenal. There's only USB outlet on one side of the bed, not both. I'll show you the closet first before we go outside. It's a little bit of a small closet. You've got your shelves right there. There's a safe there. There's just two drawers. It looks like there's three, but there's just two drawers down here. And then for all of your hanging stuff, you've got that room right there. It's a little bit of a small closet, but it totally works for our needs. The bathroom is small and very efficient, similar to the Seaside. One thing that Rebecca likes that they added here, they have the magnifying mirror here for putting your makeup on. Pretty much the same sink setup as the Seaside. We've got the same shelves right there, and then right next to me, the small shower. It feels somewhat larger on this ship than it was on the Seaside. It might just be my imagination, but a very tight and efficient bathroom. And then this absolutely huge balcony. This balcony reminds me of what we had on Royal Caribbean in junior suites. And this is not a suite. This is just a deluxe balcony. Look at the size of this. This is huge. There's supposed to be two chairs. One of them broke. They're bringing us another one. But what's really cool about this one is that it kicks out. So this is our view looking out from the balcony. We can step all the way out here. Basically, we can step out from the ship. You can see the other balconies right there. This is the same category as those. If I go up here, there's the end wall for their cabin, and our cabin extends all the way to here. I tend to look for what I call kick-out cabins. These are the ones that kind of kick out from the rest of the ship, giving you a larger balcony and just absolutely, completely unobstructed views.